Hey everybody, welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. Today we're going to take a look at Domino's and why it could potentially rise 10% over the coming months due to seasonality factors. You think seasonality for pizza? Please. It's good every time and any day of the year. But nonetheless, there are some factors here that are worth taking into account. We're going to take a look and deep dive right now. Just to mention that actually we haven't had a positive highlight from Toggle in quite some time. The last one correctly was back in April that preceded the rally that then took the stock from kind of around 105 all the way up to 120. And now we're starting to see another one. So we're going to take a look at this one here and see exactly what is it that Toggle is analyzing. First of all, the important thing is that it was actually able to go back to about 16 past occasions, so 16 past years that Toggle was able to analyze to try and figure out whether or not there is actually a seasonality pattern in this particular name. And also importantly, the fact is that although 10% is within 6 months, you can see that the confidence band, which is this lightly shaded green area, gets to this target level actually much sooner, which means that actually in some of the past outcomes, the target was reached very much sooner than that, possibly within a month and a half. So really the outcome could take place within a month and a half to 6 months, but probably sooner. Looking at why it might move, you can see that this seasonality actually dates all the way back to 2006. And on the past performance bit, you can see that really the majority of the outcomes were positive. However, it is important to note that there was one outcome in particular where actually the stock continued to decline and declined almost 20%. So the importance of the risk management, sorry to switch around so quickly, but the importance of risk management and respecting if the price is for some reason not following the pattern and instead breaks out of the confidence interval and goes below the red line, this is a good place to reassess your position, see whether or not it still fits in your portfolio, whether or not potentially Toggle has highlighted a different driver that might be this time bearishly impacting the stock. So in other words, hopefully this puts another stock on your radar screen and take a look, see fundamentally you think this is a good opportunity to enter. And we will love to hear any feedback that you might have to this particular insight. So much for Domino's today. In the daily brief, we also discuss a number of interesting issues that we think you're going to love reading about. It should already be in your mailbox. If you don't receive it, please, you can go to toggle.global, sign up for Toggle Copilot, and you will receive the daily brief free and a daily dose of market relevant content. Otherwise, if you like this kind of insight, you can like this video or subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do these every market trading day. Really, our goal is to break down the barriers that exist between individual investors and the large amounts of data out there and help them map all those data points into relevant assets that they might be driving. So thanks again for your attention, and we'll see you tomorrow.